In this video, we will walk you through setup of the Stryker Malice bipolar generator and irrigator. This is only applicable to the Stryker Malice generator and irrigator and is not to be used as guidance for previous generations or competitor products. Always ensure that the generator is powered off before connecting equipment to the generator. Ensure the generator is placed on the Stryker bipolar generator card. To start, turn to the back of the system and locate the supply voltage selector switch. There are two voltage settings to choose from: 220 to 240 volts and 100 to 120 volts. In the US, always set the supply voltage selector switch to 100 to 120 volts. Take the power cord and plug it into the back of the generator. Ground the generator by connecting an equalization cable from the generator to the equalization ground connection in the operating room. Stryker offers two foot pedal options: a dual foot pedal and a single hockey puck style foot pedal. For the dual foot pedal, take the three-prong end of the cable and plug it into the three-prong port on the back of the generator. For visual reference, this port can be found on the right side of the generator. If using the single foot pedal, use the available adapter cable that converts the four-prong on the single foot pedal to a three-prong plug. Plug the foot pedal into the adapter and plug it into the back of the generator. Plug the bipolar cord set into the bipolar output connector located on the front of the generator. Insert the two-prong connector of the bipolar forceps into the female socket of the bipolar cord set. Turn the generator on by flipping the switch on the back of the console to the on position. The system will start with a diagnostic check. Adjust the settings on generator screen knobs for your appropriate case. Now, we'll walk you through how to set up the Malice irrigator in conjunction with the Malice generator. Place the irrigator on the cart or the floor stand. Ensure that the generator and irrigator are both in the off position. Take the power cord and plug it into the back of the irrigator. Plug the interconnect cable to the Malice generator and the Malice irrigator. Use aseptic technique to remove the tubing and cord set from the packaging. Place the irrigation bag on an IV pole with the stopper facing down. Open the irrigation flap door and the rotary wheel. Remove the protective cap from the irrigation tubing. While holding the irrigation solution, push the spike into the center of the prepared stopper with a quick thrust. Do not twist. Engage the irrigation tubing clamp and thread the stretchy part of the irrigation tubing through the rotary wheel, ensuring there are no kinks. Connect the tubing by plugging the male lure lock connector to the female lure lock receptacle of the forceps. Prime the tubing, releasing the irrigation tubing clamp. Verify flow in the system by observing irrigation through the forceps. When the tubing set is fully primed, close the pump hood to stop the fluid flow and close the irrigator door. Do not pinch the silicone tubing when closing the pump hood. Plug the bipolar cord set into the bipolar output connector located on the front of the generator. Insert the two-prong connector of the bipolar forceps into the female socket of the bipolar cord set. Turn on the bipolar generator. Turn on the bipolar irrigator. The irrigation rate display above the irrigation knob will illuminate. Turn the knob clockwise until the rate displays the desired value. On the generator screen, make sure irrigation mode is in the on position. You are now ready to use the Malice bipolar generator and irrigator system for use in surgery. Please refer to your product instruction for use as your single source of truth for indications for use, contraindications, warnings, cautions, setup instructions, and cleaning and disinfecting guidelines.